Welcome to our video tutorial of installation process in Linux Ubuntu. So how to install Linux Ubuntu operating system. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Step 1. Download VirtualBox. First, go to VirtualBox downloaded page and download the installer for your operating system. After you download the installer for your operating system, install VirtualBox by following the on-screen instructions. After to install VirtualBox, then click Finish. Step 2. Download Ubuntu ISO. After you download the Ubuntu ISO, visit the Ubuntu download page and download the latest version of the Ubuntu ISO file. Step 3. Create a new virtual machine. First, open VirtualBox and click on New. Second, enter a name for your virtual machine, example, Ubuntu. After enter the name, set the type of Linux and the version to Ubuntu in 64-bit. Fourth, allocate memory RAM to the virtual machine. A minimum of 2 GB is recommended, but 4 GB is better if you have enough RAM. Fifth, create a virtual hard disk default. Format is fine. Allocate at least 25 GB of storage. Step 4. Configure the virtual machine. First, select your new virtual machine and click on Settings. Second, under System, ensure that the motherboard tab has enabled EFI. Check if you're using a UEFI system. Third, under Storage, click on the empty disk icon and then click on the disk icon next to the optical drive. Choose the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded. Fourth, after you choose the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded, under Display, increase the video memory to at least 125 MB. Step 5. Install Ubuntu. First, start the virtual machine. It should boot from the Ubuntu ISO. Second, select Install Ubuntu from the menu. Third, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This includes selecting your language, keyboard layout, and installation type. Choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu for a clean install on the virtual disk. Fourth, after you follow the on-screen instructions, set up your user account and password. Fifth, after you set up your user account and password, once the installation is complete, restart the virtual machine. Step 6. Install VirtualBox guest additions. First, after Ubuntu starts, log in with your user account. Here is a breakdown of the icons visible inside the virtual machine or Ubuntu on the left sidebar. First, Firefox. These icons represent the Firefox web browser, which is a popular open-source browser for browsing the internet. Second, Files. This icon opens the file manager in Ubuntu, which allows the user to browse through directories and files on the system. Third, Ubuntu Software Center. This icon represents the Ubuntu Software Center, a graphical tool that allows users to install, update, and remove software on their Ubuntu system. Fourth, Help. This icon provides access to help documentation and support resources related to Ubuntu. Fifth, Setting. This opens the system settings where users can adjust different system preferences such as display, network, and user accounts. 6. Show Applications. This icon opens the applications overview, allowing users to search for and launch various installed applications on the system. At the bottom of the virtual machine window, some additional icons indicate the status of hardware and input devices such as network, storage, shared clipboard, and screen scaling. These are managed by VirtualBox and visible in its window. Second, after you log in with your user account, in the VirtualBox menu, go to the Devices, insert the Guest Additions CD image. Third, after you insert the Guest Additions CD image, open a terminal in Ubuntu and run the following commands to install the Guest Additions. Fourth, sudo apt update. Fifth, sudo apt install build essential dkms linux -headers $. Sixth, sudo mount /dev /cd-rom/mnt. Seventh, sudo /mnt/vbox linux additions.run. And last, sudo reboot. And that's the end of our video tutorial on how to install Linux Ubuntu on VirtualBox.